I show you something very interesting, very powerful architecture software that can have any the software engineering. I mean, they can have a software company too. So I'm yet to be the developer. So the job I got from a new feature request from the manager. Then I had to develop the code logic, and then I do the review, create brain, commit Git, and put into the GitHub. And then they review pull requests, and then they deploy, merge into the main, deploy into production. And this job already happen the same every day, right? So I'm thinking, why don't let the agent do that? Right? You don't need to sit in front of the computer to do that job. Right now, you don't only use something, the message, send a message, okay, or use the website, Slack, or team, just saying, okay, add some error, let's fix this. And after they go to true agent, they get to put a request and back the notification to you, right? So for agent, they work 24 hours a day, all week, non-stop in your local machine, right? You can call it anytime. They will look like assistant you 24 hours. And right here is agent. They run the OpenAI model. You can plug into another model, Claude models or anything. You can code that different model you want. You think it's better, right? To make again run quickly, right? So that's it. You, and the results something like that to say, okay, I add something new API to repose. So after wait a little bit, they return to you a new the brain and the pull request for this brain. So it's ready to merge the main. Let's go there and merge the main, right, and run a deployment to production. So this job, okay, this happened very fast, okay, and you don't need to wait a new day and software engineering come and read the new feature and do a code and review stuff. So that's so many times. This system saves you a lot of time, save a lot of money to hire the software engineer to do that. Okay. Here I can show you right here my design. You see, they had the four agent in the system. The first one, okay, this product owner agent, let's say strategist agent, they connect to the two channels, is it Telegram and WhatsApp. You can, yeah, as Slack or any more than message, messengers or something like that. And then you can have you have the code agent, you have the review agent, and you have the deploy agent. So there's four agents, the four sub agent right here. They work together, talk together. Each agent has a specific job. And okay, this is the configuration. It's an important thing too, but I think I don't talk this today. Okay, three here the check. You can see say right now they already plug into the four agent. You can ask they do anything you want directly from here, or you can use the Slack WhatsApp to send a request. I can use the example right here to see. Okay, I had a repo on the GitHub like this, right? So this is a simple web, it's a simple flash app. Okay, it's for demo. So right now they don't have pull request, but I want to add something new feature in this repos. In this application, for example, I say add the get API uptime return something like this, okay, and I also add the create new brands and deployment PR and okay, and return the pull the PR and return notification to me, right? So they had to pass the unit test too. If they don't pass the unit test, they never pull a request. Okay, same. So it will send us into the agent, right? And they will process right now. They say dot dot. They process a little bit time. They come to the agent right here, and they return to you the pull request after they finish the job. Right. Let's wait a little bit. Okay. you can run, on the Linux system, or you can run on the Windows. In the reality, you can use the okay. They're already done, and they say, okay, you can see it right here. The pull request have already been created successfully, and they see you the pull request right here, and the brand name right here, right? So it's already done, right? And we go to the let's go to the repo, and you can see they already refreshed the page. Okay, and you can see they already created a new pull request. Okay, at the get time in. Okay, they already done all the testing, ready to merge, right? They also create new brands right here. You can see new brand, and right, there's a new brand, right? They already asked the uptime request asked into okay, and then they go to pull request. They already pass all the unit testing too, right? You can see the file chain. They already do a lot of stuff. Okay, yeah. It's very easy. So right now it's already done. Okay. I see. I show you something, another one too. For example, let's see this one. I require this one. Okay. I require another one. Let's see. Pay. I add another one. Say as a get metric return API into the repo, and let's send it. And when they're done, you can see now the pull request come here. Okay, the pull request only create when it passes unit testing. Okay. It's still running, right? So from this system is so powerful, right? You can send anywhere. From anywhere you can travel, and you add the agent do that job for you. Yeah. So you don't need too many the software developers sits in front of the computer and do a job day by day, every day, repeatedly. So it's so boring, and right, this system is very efficiency and performance so well, right? And then sooner or later, other company where we will apply something like this, right? They already done, and they say the pull request already create in this brand. Let me see. Let's refresh the page. You can see another pull request create, a new endpoints create, right? So, and then so pass all the test case too, and ready to merge. They create a new branch, okay? For that stuff, okay, they add the symbol right here into. So, and you click merge to be merged to production done. So, and let me see something else. So, I can say fix something, okay? Okay, fix the login. Fix the login, okay, to be both API. JSON, and return token. Okay, as the new guest version. Yes, version. Okay. And update README. And to the BR. Okay. Okay, let's decide something like that. I don't fit something, add something new. Let's send it. Yeah, you can see, done. They already say they update the login and they ask the version endpoint, and then you see they return the pull request. Okay, let's go to the repo and refresh the page. Anybody see? And you see something, the new pull request